Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need a compatible iPhone and a steady hand. Start now by opening the camera app with the rear lens selected. Once done, check the top left for the night mode icon. If it appears, night mode will engage automatically in low light. You can force it by tapping the glowing moon icon to adjust exposure time. Make sure to enable auto for handhold or lock on a tripod for maximum exposure. This balances light capture versus motion blur so your shot stays sharp. Once the night icon is active, tap it to reveal the exposure slider and time estimate. You control how long the sensor collects light. Increase exposure to brighten very dark scenes, but know that longer times amplify movement, so reduce the time for anything that moves. Make sure to hold steady or mount the phone when exposure goes beyond 1/2 second. You'll see the countdown during capture. Let the phone finish to prevent streaks and preserve detail in shadows and highlights. Take the shot by tapping the shutter and holding still until the night mode timer completes. This ensures the combined frames reduce noise and improve detail. After capture, review and use Edit to tweak brightness, contrast, and noise. Night mode preserves dynamic range, so small edits help. If night mode doesn't appear, make sure auto low light and software are up to date, switch lenses, or restart the camera app. These fixes restore the sensor's low light pipeline and unlock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.